Before we can discuss scheduling, budgeting, or resource allocation, we must first understand the fundamental question: what is a project? So in this video, we will talk about what is the definition of a project? Then, what are the characteristics of a project? We will also talk about the life cycle of a project. And finally, project versus operation. According to the Project Management Institute, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Now let's use the definition to uncover the three core characteristics of a project. The definition has mentioned three main words, which are temporary, unique, and creating product, service, or a result. So our three core characteristics are temporary, unique, and goal-oriented, because it delivers a product, service, or result. Let's simplify this by using an office building example. Let's say your company is building Skybridge Tower, a modern 12-story office building in the center of a growing business district. First, it's temporary. It means that the project has a defined beginning and end. Construction might start in March and finish at April of the following year. Once the building is handed over and ready for use, the project is considered complete. There's a timeline, there's a deadline, and when it's done, the project team moves on. Second, it's unique. Even if you've built 10 office towers before, this one still has something different. Maybe it's the site conditions, the architectural design, the location, or the materials used. So even if the concept is similar, the execution is always unique. Each project brings its own challenges, constraints, and solutions. And finally, it's goal-oriented. The project isn't just about pouring concrete and installing elevators. It's about delivering a result, a fully functional office building that meets safety codes, client expectations, and business goals. And when that goal is met, the building is ready, tenants move in, the project has achieved what it set out to do. Now let's talk about the project lifecycle. Every construction project moves through 5 clear stages: initiation phase, planning phase, execution phase, monitoring and controlling phase, closure phase. Here's how our Skybridge Tower progresses through each phase. First, initiation phase. This is where your project begins. For our Skybridge Tower, initiation means feasibility studies, zoning checks, and early stakeholder meetings. You're asking, is there demand for office space in this location? Is the land suitable for the design? Can we secure funding and permits? Once the answers are yes, we've got a green light. Second, planning phase. Now you shape the blueprint into a construction-ready plan. Architects finalize the tower's design. Engineers review structural and MEP systems. The team locks in timelines, costs, and selects contractors. This phase creates your roadmap, your baseline for cost, time, and scope. Third, execution phase. It's go time. Site is cleared. Foundation goes in. Structure climbs floor by floor. Systems like plumbing, fire protection, and lighting are installed. This is where the physical work happens, and your plan is put into action. Fourth, monitoring and controlling phase. While construction is underway, project controls kick in. Are we on schedule? Are we staying within budget? Are we meeting safety and quality standards? The team runs inspections, reviews progress reports, and adjusts when things go off track. Finally, closing phase. Everything wraps up. Final inspections pass. Punch list items are closed. Keys are handed to the client. Close-out documents and warranties are delivered. The project ends and the team moves on. Skybridge Tower is officially complete. Now we will talk about project versus operation. Let's clarify something important. A project is not the same as an operation. While a project is temporary, it has a defined start and end. Unique, it delivers something that hasn't been built before. Goal-oriented, it's created to achieve a specific result. An operation, on the other hand, is ongoing. It continues without a set finish. Repetitive, the same tasks are performed regularly. Process-oriented, the focus is on maintaining performance, not creating something new. Now let's go back to Skybridge Tower. The project was the construction effort, from the first sketch to the final inspection. The operation is what comes next: leasing office space, servicing the elevators, cleaning the lobby, and managing tenant requests. Same building, different mindset, different management approach. So, to wrap up, a project is a temporary endeavor that creates something unique to achieve a specific goal. It moves through 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling, and closure. And remember, projects end when the goal is achieved, while operations continue indefinitely. That's it for today's video. Subscribe, follow, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.